Hello, this is Dr. Liu at LeTime. In today's video, I want to demonstrate you how to make a dark red color rosemary tea and a flavor-rich rosemary dipping oil. To make a rosemary tea is pretty simple. You just need rosemary. I'm using the dry rosemary. Organic is better. And you can also use a fresh rosemary leaf. You want to double the amount compared with a dry rosemary leaf because the fresh rosemary leaf has more moisture. The ratio is 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of the dry rosemary leaf. If you use the fresh, you're gonna need 2 teaspoons. And the key point is you need slowly simmering for 10 minutes. Drain the liquid out. A clinical study showed the rosemary tea can help reduce the burnout, and also it may help heal the Alzheimer's disease and improve memory. It may help reduce the blood sugar and the cholesterol. You can drink the rosemary tea and also use it as a hair rinse after wash for the hair care and even promote the hair growth. Now we talk about how to make a rosemary dipping oil. To make a dipping oil, besides rosemary, I add some other spice including the garlic, the red pepper, black pepper. Just add a little bit more flavor into the oil. For 1 cup of oil, I add 6 cloves of the garlic and 1 piece of the red pepper and a few of the black pepper with 1 teaspoon of a dry rosemary leaf. I mix all the herbs with oil and I start to heat up. And once I see the bubble coming out from the herbs, and reduce the heat to the low heat. Just keep it simmering as we make the rosemary tea. Because the oil has a much higher temperature compared with the boiling water, the moisture squeezed out or vaporized from the garlic and the pepper. We normally use dry herbs, especially the rosemary. If you use the fresh herbs, either you can dry it before you put in the oil, or it may take a longer time when you put in the oil because you want all the moisture come out. During the boiling, you can cover with a lid, but you don't have to. If you cover with a lid as I did today, but you gotta be very careful because the moisture will condense on the lid. When you take the lid out, don't let the water drip back into the oil. Otherwise, you may get a big splash of the hot oil coming out because the water going into the oil. You know what will happen. After 10 minutes, stop the heat. I'm gonna let the oil cool down before strain it out so I can get a clear oil rather than mix with the herbs. If you like the herbs in the oil, you can keep it, but you want to consume the oil faster. So now you make the rosemary dipping oil by doing the same way, by removing the other herbs. Just keep the rosemary. You can make a rosemary infused oil, and you could use that as a massage oil. And for the dipping. Okay, so today I show you how to make a rosemary tea and a rosemary dipping oil. Thank you for watching. Please let me know how you use rosemary and what do you feel about the rosemary. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and see you next time.